We're still not there yet. I expect she's just getting beat off the whole thing. As you said, the problem is we'll get it when we don't.
Ladies and gentlemen, this bus will
But we should be out of popping there because we've got the bubble to say pat each other on the back.
Direct access via the terminal. In order to provide
if you break the story out,
and make your experience at our terminal even more convenient, we're currently building a new satellite terminal for you. Thank you for using Munich Airport. Goodbye and have a safe flight.
When Mark mentioned the fact that but it is quite a few minutes ago. I said, yeah, I got the impression he thought dates were not changing. He said, yeah, he said, so when I actually said at the meeting, you realise that obviously
we're not building a team yet.
We're not doing any of the you should have seen his face. So the penny dropped. He said, I think, maybe I said, well, it's time you begin to think.
Perhaps you need to just call into me and say, Mark, I just want to make this exclusive. Ian said to me the other day that he didn't see it.
It's a bit, to do that is I think it's a little antagonistic. I think I wait for a right opportunity to do it.
I told Chris that. Yeah, so he'd go for the heavier events, wouldn't he? Yeah. He'd look at some sort of OTA scenario or something like that. What happens when you flush a house? They're not what we do.
When it's sort of 50% concatenated messages being sent to your base.
In a weird bit.
Jetzt, wie Sie Ihren Sitzgurt schließen und wieder öffnen können. Your seatbelt can be fastened and unfastened like this. Sollte der Druck in der Kabine sinken, fallen automatisch Sauerstoffmasken aus der Kabinendecke. Ziehen Sie die Maske ganz zu sich herunter, um den Sauerstofffluss zu starten. Drücken Sie sie dann auf Mund und Nase und streifen Sie das elastische Band über Ihren Kopf. Danach helfen Sie Kindern. In the unlikely event of a loss in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the burner above you. Pull the mask down fully to start the flow of oxygen. Cover your mouth and nose with a mask and secure it by pulling the elastic strap over your head, then assist any children. Im Bereich Ihres Sitzes finden Sie eine Informationskarte mit diesen Sicherheitshinweisen. Bitte prägen Sie sich besonders die Lage der Notausgänge ein. Sie sind mit dem Wort Exit gekennzeichnet. Leuchtstreifen im Boden zeigen den Weg dorthin. At your seat you will find an information card explaining the safety instructions. Please take particular note of the location of the emergency exits, which are marked with the word exit. Illuminated strips on the floor will guide you to these exits. willkommen in London, meine Damen und Herren. Bitte lassen Sie Ihren Anschnallgurt geschlossen, bis wir unsere Parkposition erreicht haben und die Anschnallzeichen ausgeschaltet wurden. Im Namen von Flugkapitän Winfried Wagner und der gesamten Besatzung möchte ich jetzt hier von Ihnen verabschieden. Wir bedanken uns, dass Sie für Ihren Flug Lufthansa gewählt haben und wir wünschen Ihnen noch einen wunderbaren, sonnigen und angenehmen Donnerstagnachmittag und ein baldes schönes Wochenende. Herzlichen Dank, dass Sie heute unsere Gäste waren. Auf Wiedersehen. Welcome to London Heathrow, ladies and gentlemen. Please leave your seatbelt fastened until we have reached our parking position and fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. On behalf of Flight Captain Wagner and the entire crew, I would like to say thank you. Choosing Lufthansa for your 2 days flight. Wish you a wonderful remaining afternoon here in London. Good weekend, or safe and enjoyable journey. Thanks very much indeed for having me.
Ja, ja.